class. Now it is our math revision class, and today we will revise two chapters, that is after, before and between numbers. First chapter we will revise, and second we will revise ordinal numbers. Okay, these are very easy, and these two chapters are very small. That's why I have chosen these two chapters. Now after, before and between numbers. First we will revise this chapter. Because you have already learned these chapters, so it will be very easy to revise it. After number, before number and between numbers. So how we will find after number? Suppose you have a star, okay, not like this, star, a circle, and we can say a half circle. Okay, a star, circle and half circle. I have written here three pictures: a star, circle and half circle. Okay, now which will be after, before and between, we will find out from these three pictures. Okay, so if we say that this circle is between these two pictures, that is between star and between half circle, between star and half circle, there is a circle. We can say that between star and half circle there is a circle. That means if we have to write between numbers, then that must have to be between two numbers. Like if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if we have to find out a between number, then it must have to be in between two numbers. That means there is a 1 and 3, and in between there is a 2. So we can say that 2 is in between 1 and 3. If you don't like 2, then you can also say that 3 is between 2 and 4. Right? If you don't want to write 3 also, then you can write 4 is in between 3 and 5. Right? But we cannot say 1 is in between 2 and 3. We cannot say 3 is in between 4 and 5. You have to write 4 is in between 3 and 5. One is before number, another is after number. In the same way, if we say that where is the star, then you can say star is before the circle. Right? The star is before the circle. Where is the half circle? Half circle is after the circle. Right? Where is half circle? After the circle. Then in numbers you can say that 1 is before 2, that means 1 is before 2, and 3 is after 2, 3, right? So after 2 there is 3 and before 2 there is 1. In the same way 2 is in between 1 and 3. So now for revision, okay, see how will I keep the number. Now see, I have given here three questions. Okay, I have given the same type of questions in your revision test also. So how will you solve these questions? Okay, how will you solve? See, here I have written 3 and 5, and in between there is a gap. You have to fill the gap. After 3, between 3 and 5, which number came in between? Then you can say after 3 there is 4, and before 5 there is also 4. So here will be 4. Now 11 and 13. Which number will come in between? Which number will sit in between? Which number can fill this blank? Then after 11 we can write there is 12, or before 13 also there is 12. So in between 11 and 13 that there will be 12. Here I have written 16, and before 16 there is a gap, and after 16 there is a gap. Which number could fill these two gaps? There will be two numbers, of course. So before 16 there is 15, and after 16 there is 17. So it's completed, right? Now I hope you understood what is before, after, before and between numbers. Now we will write ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. So can I erase this or leave that? Ordinal numbers. So this number will denote an order. It will indicate an order. See, when you participate in any game or in any race or in any activity, then there are orders, like who will complete that first, then we will call it fast, and then second, and then third, right? This is how these orders are maintained in any program or any activities. Those are called ordinal numbers. That means when we are writing numbers, we will write 1. But if they ask for ordinal numbers, then you have to write it first. You can write this by 1 and ST. This is how you can also write this number. Okay. So this is 1. We will say it first and we will write it 1 ST first. Like for 2, we will say second. Right? And we can write that number by this, second. So these are numbers and these are orders and these are ordinal numbers. Understood that? These are numbers, these are orders and these are ordinal numbers. Now, if you say 1, 2 and next 3, then 3 is the number. What will be the order? It will be third. And how you can write that number? 3 and RD, right? Third. Last 2 letters. You have to write last 2 letters. Next 4, it will call fourth. Right? How will you write that? Last 2 letters. That means 4. This is how you have to complete all these numbers. You already learned that in your previous classes. This is the revision class. That's why I am keeping it very short. Hope you have understood what our ordinal numbers are, when we use it, and how you can write these numbers. And what are before number, after number and between numbers, how you can complete these things. Okay? If you face any problem, then ask me.